Okay, in this video I'm going to tell you where to buy this fireworks tape that I use all the time, and it's not going to be from me. Now if I had to narrow down what the #1 question I get all the time, it's about the tape I use in the fireworks projects. Where do you get that tape? And it's just like, you know, every day I get questions about this. And I'm going to give you a little history on the tape, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about where to buy it, and it's not going to be from me. Now, history of this fireworks tape. When you work for, like say, Zambelli, Pyrotechnico, one of these big companies, I'm not sure who's all using it, but I know these two companies are. You would get a roll of tape sometimes to do your projects, to patch shells up, do different things. And you know, one of the little perks of being a pyrotechnician was maybe you didn't use all the tape, right? Put a little bit in your toolbox, all right? And then when you go home, you got this for your own little personal projects. So I start using this tape in all my fireworks projects, and I like it. Guys that help on these shows, everybody loves this tape, okay? Now, if you want to buy this tape up until this point right now, I couldn't even tell you where to go buy it. So what I did was I went to the contacts from the professional companies at a paper warehouse and bought some tape. And I really didn't get a good price on it. Like they told me, when you start buying as much as Zambelli, then we'll give you a better price, all right? So I took a shot at buying some of this, thinking these people ask these questions all the time. I'm going to try to sell a tape, make a couple bucks, all right? So how much money do you think you can make on selling 2 rolls of tape, all right? I'm going to tell you, take it down there and weigh it. It'll cost you damn near $10 to mail it. So what I did was I put it in a priority envelope, which was $5. Now you add the cost of the tape. You subtract the $21 I was selling it for, you're paying with PayPal. What a lot of people don't know is PayPal pays the merchant less than what the actual amount is. Now, you're gonna ride around, you're gonna get all this tape, you're gonna go to the post office for what? $2 to $4, you know? That's about what it amounts to. I really didn't want to sell this tape. I'm telling you. It's just, there's just no profit in it, believe me. I just didn't know where to tell you to get it, all right? But if you notice, that video's gone, all right? Now, if I made a couple bucks on this, I really don't owe anyone an apology. See, my critics, they just love to look at this. Old Display Fireworks 1 here has critics that are watching his videos, and they're like, oh, he's buying that tape, he's making it, they think I'm like rolling in money with this. Now, if I make any money, there's no apologies in this, and I'm going to tell you the position I'm in right now. When you make 440 videos, do you think you're going to have any associated costs with that? You will. Try and make just 10 videos and see what it's like. I have 440 videos. Now, it's like any other endeavor in your life. If it keeps costing you money and it's heading nowhere, it kind of gets old quick. So when you get these videos up into the hundreds, you know, I have 4 cameras now. All right, 4. I have 2 computers. I have an extra high-speed internet to run all of this. All right, so now I have all these costs. Now I'll give you an example. There's the show in Wheeling that I just recently videoed. Do you think I could have went down there on my own and just checked it out and enjoyed it? But no, I lugged the cameras, make a trip down. You got costs. You got gas. Could have stayed home. You know, it's just some of this is what I'm doing. I like some I'm doing to keep going with the videos. So that's where I'm at. Now what are the critics looking at here? The first thing the critics are going to tell you is, he's an unsafe shooter, he's dangerous, he's ruining the hobby, he's doing all these other things. I'm going to tell you what the real story is. And there's times I don't even want to address it. The real story is money. They are mad I'm showing you too much about how all this operates. They don't want you to know you can get your ATF license. They're going to tell you, oh yeah, they're going to come and raid your house, they're going to do, but they have their license, you see, they don't want you to get it. They don't want you to know you can buy fireworks somewhere else cheaper, all right? They don't want you to know all this. Okay, now this is the United States of America, all right? Now I was selling this tape, I'm selling a fireworks firing system and a video. Now, I'll give you an example, that firing system. If you come tomorrow and tell me somebody down the road is selling that fireworks system for $10 cheaper, the exact same model that I'm selling, I have a couple choices. Now, I could go, well, yeah, what's he want? He wants 10 less, I'll take 10 less. I could say, I don't care what he's selling it for. I'm going to stubbornly hold on to what I want for that. And I hate you for revealing that. Honestly, you know, it just shouldn't work that way. You have to compete. There's times I wish someone else was making these videos like I am so I could compete with them, but they're not. It actually helps things when competition starts rolling. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to tell you all about this tape right now, and I think even some of the fireworks companies are going to be shocked to see this. Okay, here was the tape that I was selling. Now, it's made by Intertape Polymer Group, okay? It is honestly good tape, and you're going to see some opinions on it other than mine. Now, here's the same tape. And I'm going to hope this shows up in the video. Look the same to you there? Alright, I discovered all this by accident. This tape is sold by U-Haul, and it has the price printed already on it, and it's actually cheaper than what I was buying it for. Now, this would be I guarantee you that the people in the fireworks business do not even know this. Alright, now it gets even better. Now, if you look, you're going to think that it's not the same, because one, this actually looks smaller than the other one, but I think because it's like compressed and wrapped that it shrunk. Now here we are on the website. Now when you buy this, let me restart this. Now here I am at the U-Haul website, and let's start from the beginning. You kind of go to this U-Haul area. Let's see, here, start at the U-Haul page, here, right here, moving supplies tape. Okay, there's the tape right there. Alright, it gets better. Click it. Now it says starting at $2.79, but that is not the same roll. You want the one that is 55 yards. Alright, now, you don't believe me it's good tape? Here's 15 reviews on it that's saying it's 5-star tape, okay? Now, here comes the best part. Free shipping on orders of $25 or more. So, let's see, that's about what? 7 rolls of this tape shipped to your house for that price. I can't compete with it, you see? That is cheaper than what I was paying at the warehouse. You know, now, you know how some guys are rewrapping fireworks and calling it something different? Evidently, they're doing that with this tape. Is it the same tape? I bought one just to show you, and we're going to open it up and really take a look at it. Tear it open. Okay, here they are side by side. And there's a subtle difference in the color. But it feels like the exact thing. It's the exact same thing. You know, as best I could tell, this is the same tape. The same this way. Alright, let's take a look at the reviews. See, look. Now you got one guy there that's not happy. Heavy duty, easy to tear, fantastic product. Love this tape, strong as ever. Alright, look, all 5 stars. Should have bought extra. Excellent. Telling you, I'm not steering you wrong. I really don't want to sell it. You can go buy all you want right here. Cheaper than I was buying it for, believe me. And I even spent my own money to buy a roll. So there it is. There's the tape. There's my critics' answer. And we'll see where it goes from there.